Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen on any Samsung S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra. It's super simple. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the icon that says Screen Recorder. If you see it, just tap it and your phone will start recording after a short countdown. But if you don't see the Screen Recorder icon, no problem. Tap the pencil icon at the top or the three dots, then select Edit buttons. Now scroll through the available buttons, find Screen Recorder, and drag it up into your main Quick Settings area so it's always there when you need it. Once it's added, go ahead and tap the Screen Recorder button. You'll see a pop-up with three sound options: No Sound, Media Sounds Only, or Media Sounds Plus, which is great if you want to talk while recording. Pick the option that works for you, then tap Start Recording. You'll get a 3-second countdown, and the recording will begin. While recording, you can also draw on the screen or use the front camera, depending on your settings. And when you're done, just stop the recording and the video will automatically be saved in your gallery. That's it. Now you know how to record your screen on any Samsung S25 series phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.